action. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a very long time, and I know a lot of people, some of my friends have been waiting for another video, so of course I have to deliver to you guys. So what are we gonna be making today? We will be making crostata, which is a dessert that obviously is famous in Italy, but also you can put anything you want, like any toppings you want. I'll tell you what I'm doing later because it's a surprise, obviously. But anyway, sigla. So here we have a whisk. Now there are two steps to making this beautiful crostata. First the dough, and second the actual crostata itself. Oh.
You need water?
No, that was just the oh my days again. That's
Cut.
So here we have a whisker, whatever you call it. Now there are two easy, well not easy, but two main steps to making the crostata: the dough and also the crostata itself. And the reason there are two steps is because you have to leave the dough overnight. So then tomorrow, that means I'm gonna be making the actual crostata, putting the ingredients. Stuff like that. But anyway, let's start off with 2 eggs. We have here 1 and we have 2. Let's start whisking these eggs. Now we add the sugar little by little. I'm going to put it in half at a time. I added all my sugar in so I can start increasing the speed little by little. Now we have the dry ingredients. So here we have flour, potato starch and yeast for desserts. So I'm going to start by putting in half cup of flour. Start mixing again. I put both cups of flour inside. Start mixing again. Okay, here we have the yeast. This is for desserts. Then we have our potato starch. Start mixing again. And before I forget, half a spoon of milk powder per 500 grams of flour. We can start mixing this again. Fresh vanilla pod. Now the next ingredient is lard. Now it's better with lard, but I only have half lard, so the other half is butter. So I'm gonna use that, and also make sure to whisk it to make it into like a I don't know, cream of sort, I guess, because makes it easier. But anyway, let's I'm just gonna go from here. Boom. Now with the butter, it should cooperate and make like it's like solid piece of dough, but also it's very you can work with it, make it's basically like a puff pastry sort of thing. Increase the speed here. flour. I'm gonna transfer our dough. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, so you don't need to put this overnight. You can use this in a couple hours, but I'm doing this because it's easier to work when it's cold. So I'm doing it overnight. So I'm now going to make this into a ball. As you can see, no dirt on my fingers. This is really easy to work with, and very nice. I should stop smacking dough. Nice and tight. This is gonna go into the fridge, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. No. Okay, it's rested for overnight in the fridge. So you can see,
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Actually, no, it's actually 12:30.
Okay,
right now.
it's lunchtime.
Yeah, it is quite firm, but don't worry. Just a couple minutes and it will soften up a little bit. Remove this. One.
Beautiful.
So while this is pressing here, I have my pan, a nice, for I don't know. What do you call, like pile or something? I put butter on my pans, as you can see. I'm gonna put some flour now to sprinkle. Try and. There are two ways to make the shape of crostata. One way is putting the pan on top and then cutting out, then put in the pan. But I'm doing it this way, where I take off the dough and put it on top, and as you can see, I'm forming it right now.
Removing the excess, basically.
Yeah, it's quite.
This is fine.
Easy process.
Yeah, I like it. It's fun. I wash my hands, by the way.
Okay, good.
Cameraman is always clean.
Of course. And then just
don't press too much, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is to be the
crust.
The crust. Okay.
Okay, so now the next step is to put the Nutella.
Oh, Brenda will love that.
I know, exactly.
Nice. Don't break anything.
It's got to be distributed evenly.
I think maybe put a little. Oops.
Wow.
Put a little bit around, and then we distribute. Next time we do with a jam or something, like a marmalade.
Yeah.
Instead of Nutella.
No, Nutella's better.
Like apricot marmalade, no?
I think Nutella's
That's what my mom used to do when I was a kid. Apricot.
Oh yeah, don't get me wrong, that's really good. But I think Nutella's the bomb.
This is good for breakfast in the morning with a nice espresso.
It's sort of like pasticciotti almost, like a little bit similar.
Yeah, I mean, when you did the pasticciotti, it was the same dough, right?
See,
just a different shape, and obviously you put different cream and a little bit of Nutella,
that pasticciotti is so good.
Yeah, Zemorizzo is professional in that, right?
Yes, definitely. Another one. Wait. Like that paste, like there's like commercials.
It's like making an art.
Maybe a little bit more Nutella. Spit out more. Maybe a little bit more. And here is my masterpiece crostata. As you can see, I did this pattern. You can do anything you want, but you know, I did like a diamond shape. So now this is ready to go into the oven, 180 degrees for 15 minutes, and this will be nice, golden brown and very delicious.
Let's go. I'm gonna start making my espresso. 15 minutes, you say? Let's say I'm gonna start the machine. We're ready to go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, 1 hour has passed. Look how beautiful this looks. I took it out of the pan, I put some powdered sugar, and now I'm definitely ready to try this. Do you wanna try? Or I'll just try?
No, just try, you try.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a plate. I'll be right back.
Thank you. I already got my espresso, so I don't need anything else to go with it.
Okay, here I have my brother with me. We are gonna try this wonderful dessert.
Welcome back, Brandon.
Welcome back, our mini chef.
I never been in an oven for a long time.
No, you haven't. Right, get a piece.
Okay.
Time to get a Nutella.
Oh, you want a big piece?
I think you can just pick it up and yeah, it's too friable. It's too like you can pick it up and give a bite. Just try it, Jonathan. What do you think? Brandon likes the Nutella. I know that he's gonna love it. There's nothing that he's biased.
No, nothing is easy if you just do this.
Yeah, it's easier. I told you, Brandon is biased because he loves Nutella. Oh my god, that was a big piece. Look at that. What do you guys think? Good? Yeah. Okay, so that's a wrap. Well, don't make the music again.
No, you know what? It's okay, because he likes that music. Don't you?
Do you remember what the music is?
And I'll see you in the next video.